Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Consumers demand theory. From principles of economics, consumer behavior from different angles. In these slides and video, we are going to discuss the basic concepts of consumers demand theory or consumer behavior. These are the most important concepts for the students during MCQ based exams and short question based examinations. Number one is satisfaction. Is that feeling, pleasure, and happiness which is obtained after the fulfillment of wants. Satisfying power of goods and services is called by the utility. Initial utility is the utility or satisfaction that is obtained by the consumer from the use of the very first unit of a commodity or product. The marginal utility is the net change in total utility due to the consumption or use of the next unit of any good. Total utility is the utility obtained from the consumption of all units of a commodity. So, total utility is aggregate utility and sum of all individual utilities. Utility before the point of saturation, when marginal utility is decreasing, it is called positive utility. At the point of saturation, when total utility is maximum and constant, then marginal utility is called zero utility. After the point of saturation, when marginal utility has changed its sign from positive to negative, it is called negative utility. When marginal utility is positive, then total utility increases. When marginal utility is zero, then total utility is at maximum level and constant, also known as saturation point. When marginal utility is negative, then total utility decreases. The utility has a quality to satisfy our wants, either wants are good or bad. Utility is a quality to satisfy our wants, but usefulness refers to benefits only. It has no relation with drawbacks, loss, etc. Utility is the satisfying power of goods and services, and satisfaction is that feeling and pleasure which obtained after the completion of wants. Point of saturation or satiety is a point or a situation at which marginal utility drops down to zero and total utility is at maximum level and constant. According to the law of diminishing marginal utility, the marginal utility of a commodity diminishes as a consumer consumes greater amount of that commodity. The additional benefit which a person derives from an increase in his stock of a thing diminishes with every increase in the stock that he already has. according to Dr. Alfred Marshall. It can be written as formula expression mu1 is greater than mu2, greater than mu3, greater than so on, greater than mun. Law of equi-marginal utility states that the household maximizing the utility will so allocate the expenditure between commodities that the utility of the last penny spent on each item is equal, according to Professor Lipsey. Law of equi-marginal utility is also known as law of substitution, law of indifferent, and law of maximum satisfaction. A consumer is in equilibrium and gets maximum utility when he gets maximum satisfaction from limited resources by allocating it in the best way between different commodities. The consumer's equilibrium equation or formula is mux over px is equal to muy over py is equal to continue is equal to mun over pn. The behavior of the consumer related to selection, purchase, and consumption of goods and services to the satisfaction of wants is known as consumer behavior. Util is a scale which is used to measure the utility. It was introduced by Alfred Marshall. It is also known as the 1 unit of satisfaction. All material, tangible, and visible things that are used by human being in consumption and production process are called goods. On the other hand, those non-material things and actions of individuals that can satisfy wants and help the production process are called services. For example, services of teacher, doctor, lawyer, etc. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.